Hello friends, how are you? I am your IELTS trainer Gurpreet Kaur. I am very fine. I think you will be fine as well. These days I am uploading videos regarding the grammar and speaking, but from yesterday we have started videos regarding the listening, and today I am going to give you the information regarding reading, that how many type of questions are there and the sequence of these questions. So let's start with the video. Reading question types. There are 16 type of questions in the reading, and I am going to discuss these questions with you, by which you will be familiar with these and will be able to answer these questions correctly. First of all, which paragraph contain the following information? Like the three or four sentences are given, and they have given that which paragraph contains the following information. Five questions are there and four paragraphs are there. You can use one paragraph more than once, like this they have written. So these kind of questions are which paragraph contains following information. After that, complete the summary below. They have given a kind of paragraph where some of the blanks are given, and you have to complete the summary which is given in the paragraph by selecting the answers or by selecting the words from the paragraph. Complete the sentences below. Sentences below is a kind of questions where a single sentence is given and we have to fill up the sentence. Like they have given, in which century why car uses is increasing. ठीक है, ਉੱਥੇ ਆਪਾਂ आंसर करना होगा why the answer होगा ਉੱਥੇ. Choose the correct heading for paragraphs. This is, you know that we have given the 7 to 8 headings and there are 5 to 6 paragraphs. From these headings we have to match the correct heading with the paragraph. By reading the paragraph we have to complete the heading. After that, there are yes no not given questions and true false not given questions. These both type of questions are different from one another, and in some cases true can be no in other words. Try to see these kind of questions and try to read these kind of questions carefully. And they have also given that, do the following information or following statements agree with the information? Yes is for if statement is agree, for no if there is contradiction, and not given if they have given the keyword which is not able in the paragraph. So we are going to write the statement is not given. After that, choose the correct letters. These are multiple choice questions or MCQs, from where we have to choose the four letters and write this in the statement. Okay, like they have given a statement or they have given a sentence, and we have to answer that questions by giving the correct letter. Complete the summary using list of words. We have a complete the summary below, where a paragraph is given. In this thing we have given a paragraph, but below that we have given the list of words like A, B, C, D, E. In this we have to write the whole word, like if there is talk or communication, but in this we have to just write the letter A, B, C or D. And in this case we are not going to find the same letter or same word in the passage and the questions. We have to be more careful regarding the vocabulary. After that, there is classify the state following as typical or category. Classify the following or category. Like they have given the things not do, do, or can or cannot be done. Okay, or if they have given the properties of a thing, like for the glass, these kind of properties, they have given the glass, plastic or paper. And in the below they have given the properties, like this is the hard material. This can be used for writing, and this can be used for decorating the homes, and this is the material which is cheaper as compared to the other. So we have to classify the typical as category. So I am going to end this video on here. We are going to discuss other in the next video. So be with me for next video when we are going to discuss other things also. This is end of for today's video. You have learned in this video that there are 16 type of reading questions and I have discussed 8 from them, and in the next video I will be going to discuss the other 8. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel if you think these videos are helpful for you. Also press the bell icon by which you will be notified whenever I upload any kind of new videos. Thanks for watching my videos and giving me your support. Have a nice day, guys.